Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to use your Xiaomi Mi True wireless basic earbuds. Basically, you pull them out of your case, and once you pull them out of your case, they should be hooked to your phone. And when you have them in your ears, it's very simple. To play or pick up a phone call, you can press any of them one time, and that should pick up the phone call or play the music that had been stopped. Or if you want to pause it, it's the same thing. So pressing one time will play or stop your music or phone call. Then if you want to reject a phone call, you have to press and hold for 1 second. So for rejecting, any of them will work. You press it for 1 second and that would reject your phone call. If you want to play, pause music, like I told you, press once, stop, and again to play. If you want to turn on assistance while standby, press the multifunction button twice to turn on the voice assistant. So basically, you would press it twice, 1, 2, and that would open your phone assistant so you can call any command that you need. To pick up a call, like I told you, you just have to press and you pick up the call. And if you actually have a second call, you can press twice and you pick up the second call. And if you want to change from one to the other, it's the same thing. All you have to do is basically press them twice and it changes from one call to the other. And then if you want to switch between earbuds and device during a call, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second to switch between earbuds and your phone. So depending on what you want to use, your phone or your earbuds during a call or music, you can press for a second. Then if you want to mute and mute, it's very simple. All you have to do is press it twice and it unmutes it. So press it like that and that should mute it or unmute it. So yeah, that's all on how to use your Xiaomi Mi True basic earbuds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.